Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from TechForAll. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to set a custom image for the Windows 11 Start menu background. Let's start. For the purpose of this tutorial, you need to download a third-party application by the name of Start 11, which is developed by StarDock. First of all, open a web browser and navigate to this link. I have put down the link down below in the video description. Click on the download button to download the Start 11 application. In this page, you have to choose one of the two options that you have for the download. The first one is the free version with one active installation, which you can install it only once. And the second is for multi-device, which you can install up to 5 times. I will go with the first option and try for the 30 days of trial. Click on Try Free for 30 days. The download will start automatically. Let's wait for the download until it is finished. After the application is downloaded, open the Downloads folder. Right-click on the application and run it as administrator. In the user account control, click on Yes. Select I agree the terms of the license agreement and click on the Next button. Click on the Next button again. After the installation, it will automatically launch the application. Here it is prompt that whether you want to enter the product key, purchase a product key, or you want to start the 30 days of trial. I will use the application as a trial, so I will go with the third option. Here you need to enter an email to start your trial period. Click on the Continue button. StarDock has sent a verification email to the email address which we provided. Let's check our email address. After you have opened the email, scroll down and click on Activate 30 Day of Trial. A new tab will be opened where it says the trial validation was successful. Switch back to the application. Let's minimize the window. Here, as you can see, Start 11 trial is now activated. Click on Finish. In this prompt, if you want to enhance the Windows 11 taskbar, click on Yes button. Here, as you can see, it is written in the red text. Enabling this will turn on ungrouping taskbar buttons by default and will force your Start button to the left-hand side always, which I don't want to use that, so I will go with the No option. And also, it asks where do you want the taskbar to be configured. Should it be left aligned or should it be center aligned? I will go with the center option and then click on OK. Under the Start menu, select Windows 11 style and then click on Configure menu. Now click on the Customize menu visual appearance and then click on the Use a custom menu background. Toggle this option on. Click on this icon to expand it. Now scroll down. Click on the drop down and you can select a custom background from the images that we currently have. And also you can set the transparency by clicking on the transparency button and then decreasing the solid percentage. Now let's minimize the Start 11 and check whether we have an image. Yes, as you can see, we have an image in the background. To make it more visible, we need to make the transparency a bit less. Let's go to the configuration. And from here, I should decrease the transparency and then let's check that whether we have an image or not. Here, as you can see, that we have a custom image in the Windows 11 Start menu background. If you want to set a custom image, all you need to do is click on the drop down button, scroll down to the end and then click on Pick Custom Image. Navigate to the folder where you have an image. For example, I want this USA flag to be in the Windows 11 Start menu background.
then click on the open button, and it is set. Let's reduce the transparency effect, and now let's minimize Start 11 and open Start menu. Here, as you can see, that we have set custom image for the Windows 11 Start menu background. If you want to make it a bit transparent, open Start 11, click on the transparency button, and decrease the solidness. Now let's check that whether it is transparent or not. Here, as you can see, that we have set a custom image, and also we have set the transparency. And that's all for today, guys. I hope this video helped you. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.